Sakti. Turmeric Kapu. Today, the 17th of October 2020, the Supreme Mother Adiparashakti of Mel Maruvattur Siddharpeedam, and as the propitious Mariamma who promises prosperity and affluence, is bestowing her abundant grace upon all of us, adorning the turmeric kapu. It displays a distinct divinity when you mold turmeric paste as Vinayaka, the god who removes all impediments, or mold the face of goddess for Kalasam, that is a holy pot. Or when applying the turmeric paste to a simple thread, it is regarded as a Thirumangalyam, that is a sacred thread worn by married women. With all the above divine attributes, Amma's turmeric kapu endows long married life. In Amma's universal reign and supremacy, Mariamma is one of her many forms who guards and protects the world as various Shaktis. The word Mari means rain, and the word Amman means mother. She is worshipped as the goddess of rain, bestowing prosperity, since the abundance of crops is dependent largely upon adequate and timely rainfall, enabling the survival of humans. Mariamma is majestic in appearance, adorning holy sacred ash in her divine forehead, with splendid vermilion application in the glabella, seated, folding her left leg. Her four hands holding weapons like damaru, which is a hand drum or a small two-headed drum, sword, a small trident or trishul, a vermilion cup, and having neem and margosa leaves with her. Just like grains enclosed in paddy, meanings encased in words, her divine thought enveloped in our minds, turmeric acts as a medicament. The ever-benevolent Mariamma, as a guarding mother for her children, wards off worries and fears of the people meticulously. Bangaru Amma, in her divine oracle, ordained us to sprinkle turmeric water all over our house on Tuesdays and Fridays before worshipping. When turmeric is added to ordinary water, it becomes sacred water. In India, it is customary to give turmeric water shower, which is a sacred shower, to girls on their attainment of puberty. Mariamma is worshipped in various forms and names in many different places. Her worship mainly focuses on bringing rains and curing diseases like cholera, smallpox, chickenpox, and pestilence, which is a deadly or virulent epidemic. Mariamma cures all diseases like influenza and heat-based diseases like pox and rashes, which are caused due to seasonal changes. Turmeric is the most favorite for Mariamma. Turmeric is the best germicide. To get relief from chickenpox and measles, applying a paste of turmeric and neem leaves all over the body is customary in our country. Turmeric has high nutritional components, vitamins and minerals. Turmeric prevents cancer. It reduces the side effects of chemotherapy. Turmeric as an antiseptic expedites the healing of incision and burns. Application of turmeric paste gives women radiant complexion and prevents skin infections. His Holiness Bangaru Amma, though supreme being in her own right, worships Mariamma, the village deity, to emphasize the importance of worshipping village deities who are the guardian angels of that particular area. And proper worship paves way for the prosperity of that place. Worshipping Mariamma bestows abundant grace to everyone. With utmost compassion, to rescue humanity from the dreadful virulence that has frozen the whole world in fear and to mitigate the negative impact of our karma. Today, the Universal Mother majestically adorned the role of Mel Maruvattur Mariamma to protect all of us. With all reverence, let us prostrate wholeheartedly before Mel Maruvattur Adiparashakti, who bestows her munificent grace to us today as Mariamma adorned in turmeric, and seek her everlasting blessings for the happiness, auspiciousness, and prosperity of our families, thereby enriching our lives. Om Shakti.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.